Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add music to Instagram post, and now let's dive right in. Now to add music to Instagram post, first open up your Instagram app, and in order to proceed guys, let's create an Instagram post. To do that, you can see the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that plus button or the plus icon, and over here guys, we are on the post section of Instagram. Now in order to create a post, you can choose anything you like, your video, your photos. You can shoot it on your phone, but I'll be just uploading a photo of some dolls over here guys. And after that, after adding your photo or your video on Instagram post, at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the next button. And from over here guys, on this interface at the top of the screen, you can see the eraser and the music icon. Tap on the music icon, and over here you will be able to add some music from over here. So let's tap on the music. Any music, you can browse for it, you can search for it, it's your choice guys. So I'll be just tapping on this music, and after customizing your music, you can see you can customize your music, your timing, anything you want to do over here guys. And after doing that, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner of the screen, and the music will be added to your post on Instagram. And let's tap on the next at the top right corner of the screen. And after the processing has been completed, and make sure to fill up this post. After you do that, tap on the share button at the bottom of the screen, and then your post will be shared with music. And with that being said guys, this is how to add music to Instagram post. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.